Good morning.
Good morning, Tricia. How are you
Good
today?
morning, Tiffany. We're so happy to be with you this morning, and we want to show you and tell you about two amazing properties that we're going to be showcasing this Saturday, the 28th, in an open house. Tiffany, you want to tell us about yours?
Sure. I'll be in Newport in the Soundview neighborhood. I'll be at 805 Soundview Avenue. It's a great corner lot, just over an acre, so a nice big yard. Has a detached garage in addition to an in-house garage. The home is just over 1,800 square feet, single-story brick ranch, and just come out and see me. I'll be there from 10 to noon.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see it.
Great property.
And I'm hosting from 10 to 12 also that Saturday, 1104 Woods Court. This is a one-story with a bonus over the garage, a little over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's just really beautiful inside. It has a fenced-in backyard, also a screened-in porch, and just so many amenities. And it's just steps away, a little walking distance from the community pool and the clubhouse. Or if you're lucky enough to have a golf cart, you can just swing over there to the Morehead City Country Club. So it's just a very desirable area, and I look forward to seeing everyone there. I don't think it'll be there long, so come see me.
And also, Keller Williams is hosting a Red Day this weekend, Tricia. What's that all about?
Okay, we're going to have dozens and dozens of homes that are going to be showcased with open houses. So you'll be seeing Keller Williams signs and Keller Williams brokers everywhere. So please join us and celebrate. And if you're interested in buying or a home in this area, this is your Saturday to go out and look.
That's great. There will be 2 other Bradbury Garner properties that will be showcased in this Red Day through Keller Williams. 240 Live Oak Road in Newport, and also 114 Robin Avenue, Unit B, will be open from 12 to 2. So please get out and about and see all the great properties we have to offer in Carteret County.
And we're excited about seeing everyone. Thank you so much.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend. Bye.
Bye.